Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Sheri graphics, get templates for graphic designing and photography. All files are not protected, that means no password in any folder or any file. Okay, all files are free. Here is presentation, Google slide, resume, PowerPoint magazine, Victor business card. You see here, daily update, 3 daily bundle update. Okay, without any password, click on here, go, and you see 429 MB. Click to download button. You need to wait half minute, then we can get this download button. I know you can do it. And same thing is here, studio portrait photo. Here is 431 MB, and wait half minute for download. Snow effects overlay. Here is Photoshop action, close it and click on business card. Wow, you see here the professional business card. Here is 100 business card templates. These are in Photoshop, that means PSD file. Here is 50, here is 35, 35, 30, 8, 10 and 25. Okay, here is web element websites. Wow, to the web UI kit, Saga, social media templates. You can download. Here is font, here is mockup PSD, laptop mockup and Mac. Okay, and here is Google Slides. Amazing. These for PowerPoint. Resume, CV, and here is banner. Wow, amazing. Facebook post banner volume 2. Wait for half minute, so we can wait. Or open any other folder like Geography. Wow, amazing. Just you click on any title and then click on download, but you need to wait 30 seconds. Click download. Here is Meganas, but don't worry, 6.2 MB download. Okay, now here is, you see, 125 KB. So add to bookmark and download daily update. I hope this website is useful for you. Subscribe me a lot.